Start your engines and may the best woman win.
Got boots na de.
Ooh, very fierce.
Gorgeous.
Just OCD, yeah.
Nah, beaut.
Oh, mae'n matcho blanket ni.
Di'r slags ma ddim yn gwybod beth sy'n dod amdano nhw.
Yeah, mae'n Cymraeg!
Love it!
Drag Queen Cymraeg.
Oh, wow!
Oh, da iawn! Ond be nhw?
Hey!
Oh,
will.
Yeah.
I am invested.
Yes, Queen.
Hello, my name is Actavia. I'm 21 years old. I'm from a tiny little town in North Wales called Bala.
Bala!
Bala! Oh my god!
Class. Felly jyst gweld yn stryto rownd y llyn yn Bala.
When I say I'm the dragon of this competition, I mean it. I will be spitting fire on these bitches until they burn to the ground and I get that crown.
Oh, bitches! You tell them!
Yes, Queen.
Oh, pussy. Nage pussy, dragon I fi.
You go, girl.
Welcome to RuPaul's Drag Race UK.
Hello, Ru.
Start your engines and may the
Best drag queen.
Win. Dyma now, Actavia. Wow.
Bitch, I'm the dragon who I can't be tamed. Coming in hot, girl, you just got flamed.
Girl got moves there. Is it like a little rap to get the party started?
Queen here to dominate with a boom boom clap like an 808. Bagadam Danny, ja in die 3, dus neven er ass maar just wel V.
Ooh!
Cool.
Hey, go on, gal.
Baby just got flamed.
Wow.
Imagine pulling out them moves in a damn sugar wedding.
Fel a dwi'n meddwl dwi'n edrych pan dwi'n dwnsio allan.
Baby just got flamed, flamed.
I can't believe how much energy Actavia's got. I'm knackered just watching her.
A fi. Diolch. Oh, na dda, actually.
Diolch I ti. Woo!
Yes, Queen.
Snaps for Actavia.
Mor dda ddo, i fynd codi ymwybyddiaeth o'r iaith Gymraeg ar y sioe sy'n mor boblogaidd da.
And tonight on the runway, category is Queen of your hometown.
Ooh. Sti, dy boi.
Fi ydi Cwîn y Bangor, de.
Up next, the Queen of Wales, Actavia. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Mwg o dy ceg.
Mae'n edrych fel
Fel
drag.
Cymraeg.
Imagine she had dal a mwg na fewn tra ti'n cerdded ar y stage.
I have gone for a deconstructed version of the Welsh flag.
O, fi licio'r outfit, dwi'n teg, hwnna'n dda.
Tywydd, hwnna'n really clever.
I am the dragon. Scales usually are honestly quite a trigger for me, but in this case, they're all over me and I feel hot.
Wow.
Ah, cool.
Mae hwnna yn
Ma' hwnna'n really cool.
Winner, winner.
Chicken dinner.
I'm sure that there's a little gay in the village that's sat in the pub watching me right now going, yes, mama, gweithio dy cath allan.
I'm bit nuts. Rw. Gweithio'r gath allan.
Queens, you represent the tops of the week.
Oh, right. Rhain yw'r gore.
O, chwarae teg.
O'n i'n mynd I ddeud, cos oedd Actavia'n amazing, da.
Actavia, you did a full-on club banger dance routine, and the energy never waned once.
Mae hon yn un cryf, fi'n credu. In it to win it.
That high ponytail was whizzing round like a wind turbine. I mean, I thought you were going to take off at one point.
So did I. So did I.
Amazing.
Dwi wedi gwachad RuPaul's Drag Race ers y cychwyn, ia, a dwi erioed wedi gweld drag queen yn dod I fewn a danos fatha siarad Cymraeg a ia.
Mwy RuPaul, mwy RuPaul.